Hey traders, let's quickly talk about some of the trading opportunities. As a trader, you need to understand that the market does not really care about your opinion or your analysis. The market does care about your analysis but can still do what it wants to do anyway. But for your analysis to be correct 9 out of 10 times, there are some things that you need to understand as a forex trader because forex is a business. Now, there are some of the trading opportunities you need to understand. Number one is location. You plot your location on the higher time frame, like the weekly, the daily. These are the higher time frame that when you plot your levels, your supply and your support and resistance on this higher time frame, it tells you how strong those levels are instead of plotting your levels on the 5 minutes, 15 minutes, or the 30-minute time frame. Number two is liquidity. Any currency pairs that is attached to the US dollar tend to attract more currency, more money, like from investors, hedge funds, central bank, and private institutions, because the dollar is a reserve currency, and any currency that is attached to them, like the major pairs, like I said, New Zealand USD, Aussie USD, Euro USD, Pound USD, they tend to move the market because there's a lot of money that is being pumped into these currencies. Number three is supply, which is support level, and the demand, supply and demand zone. These are also some of the levels as a trader that you need to also watch about in this forex business. Then the last but not the least is the trending, is the market's position. Are we in a trending market or are we in a downtrend market? What is the market doing before you enter a trade? Is the market making a higher high, a higher low, or is the market making a lower high and a lower low? Because you want to know, or are we in a ranging market? All these things will give you a good decision on what to do, where to enter a trade before you make the final push button either to buy or to sell. So once you understand these trading opportunities, it's just going to be okay for you as a trader. See you again. Bye.